Now, because I've interacted and I've worked with so many businesses and organizations on so many of their campaigns, product launch, and conventions, conferences, and all that. And I can see one issue that everybody has, and that is getting the right people to see them. Now, a lot of these organizations actually have a lot of people following them. They have a lot of people that know them. But most times, those people are not the right people for their business. So, what I have seen is most businesses, especially in Nigeria, don't know how to use these tools. And that is why I've decided to release a course, which I call the Google Elite course. Now, the Google Elite course will show you how to use Google Analytics, Google My Business, Google Ads, and some other tools in conjunction with these other main tools. And it will not only show you how to set them up, but will show you how to properly use them to get the right people, to get the right visibility, and to get the ready customers and audiences that you need. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I can see that from what I have shown you from the beginning of this video, you should be convinced by now that you actually need these tools and you need to know how to use them. And this is what this course, the Google Elite course, will give you. The Google Elite course will give you a wonderful perception, an in-depth perception into how to use these tools, when to use them, and which of them are necessary for different journeys of your business. So this is all I have to say on this video. And I want you to read the content below. I want you to look through what this course is going to offer you. The modules, the topics, and I want you to make that decision. Is this going to add to your business? Ask yourself that question. And if you're convinced it's going to help your business, then I'm happy to go on this journey with you. Now I'm going to be showing you step-by-step processes. We're going to be doing it hand in hand, and it will be like I'm beside you. It's going to be a lovely ride. So I want you to go through the modules below this video, check through them, and let's go on this journey. I'm Oluwabamishi Alade, the online grandpa. Don't forget to share this with other business friends and partners that you have. This is a knowledge you can't consume alone. You have to share it abroad. You have to share it with everyone you want your business to grow in an exponential way. I'm waiting to hear from you.